Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make a very lovely heart drawer box which you can gift to any of your loved ones. Now let's begin. Dimension of the heart is the length from the middle should be 18 centimeters and the width should be 24 centimeters. Now I'm going to draw two hearts on this cardboard and I'm going to cut them off. Now I have cut two cardboard hearts out. I'll show you this. Now we have to take a cardboard piece, a long cardboard piece, and then we have to cut it from the middle into two, and then we have to wet it. We have to take two cardboard ones, and then we have to remove the top part of it. So you have to carefully remove the top part of the cardboard because we need this striped bumpy area. So I'll come back when I remove them. Now I have removed them. You see, now why we're doing this is that this will help the cardboard to bend like this. Now I'll be rolling it. Now I have rolled it, and you can see how easily it bends. Now I'll be gluing this on that side of the heart. I'll be carefully gluing it like this. Now I also glued a little bit from the inner side to give it extra support. As you can see, this is how it glued. And now I have to do the other side. Doing that. I have glued both the cardboard hearts now. You can see. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be folding this paper and tearing it into, you're gonna say, almost rectangular or square sheets. You can see this is how I tore them. They are rectangular or square sheets, and now I'm going to take a bowl and put some glue in that. I'm going to add a little bit of water in the glue, and I'm going to mix it. Now what we have to do is we have to make this paper wet, and then we have to use this brush and first of all apply glue inside, and then after making the papers wet we have to stick the papers inside to add another layer of glue on top to hold it together. Now we have to do the same to the other box as well, and I'll be back once I did it. Okay, now you can see I have done half of it. Now the other half is remaining. I'll be just adding a little bit more layer of glue. Now I will do it entirely, and I'll do the same to this box as well, and I will be back. Now it's done. I've done it, but with the other box I have added tissue instead of paper because I need to give it a little texture. I just thought, yeah, let's give it a little texture because tissue, it gives a little texture to it. But the other box I've only covered it with paper from the corners and the edges. You can see here. Now I'm going to let them dry, and I'll be back once they're dried, but after that I'm going to paint them pink. Now I have painted them pink and they've dried. You can see here, this one is a clean one, and I'll be showing the other one which is having a little texture inside. See, this heart has a texture inside. Now what we have to do is I have to cover it with the paper, but I have painted this pink because I was not having pink paper, but you can also layer it with pink paper, that's better. But now we are just gonna cover it with light pink paper like this. And we have to take the measurement first. You can see our two boxes together was 14 centimeters. Now we're going to cut it on the paper. We're going to take the measurement and we're going to cut it. Now we have cut it, and now what we're going to do is we are going to fold the end parts, the two end parts, like this, to give that smooth edge at the end. See, we have to do it to both the ends, to the both ends. See, so that we can get the smooth edge. Now I'll be gluing that part. Now once that's glued, I'm going to glue the end part on this, on the edge of the heart, because we have to glue this. Now on this side, I'm going to glue it at the bottom part of this heart. I'm going to glue the paper only at the bottom part. I'm going to do it carefully. Now I have glued the bottom part. As you can see, this is how it will work. I have not glued the top, only the bottom part. Now of this side, I'm going to glue only the top part of it, only the top. Now you can see I have glued both. Now this is how it works. As you can see here, on one side only the bottom part, on another side only the top part. So this is how it's gonna work. It's gonna open like this. Now I have to add ribbons. I have two, so I'm gonna try which one looks nice. This one would have been good if it had a little light shading in that, but it's not that according to me. I'm gonna try this pink ribbon now. Yeah, this suits better on it. I mean, both of them look fine, but you know, I think this is better. See? I mean, you can tell me which one is better down in the comment section. Just tell me which one is better. I think both are fine, but I prefer this a lot. Now I'm going to tie the ribbon. I'm going to leave a little bit of extra so that I can tie a knot or a bow at the area as a seal. Now I have glued the ribbon and I have also tied the knot. You can see this is how it looks. So this is how the box is turned out. You can just untie the knot. And you can pull it like this and it opens very easily. See, it's gorgeous, it's wonderful. You can put whatever you want in there, jewelry, chocolates, anything for gifting. It's wonderful. Now we're gonna show you. I added flowers on the top as a bouquet. You can make it as a bouquet. You can see you can gift it to someone very gorgeously. You can keep this as a bouquet. See? And on the inside, I've put some chocolates. See? This is how it works. It works really smoothly and easily, and it's perfect for gifting any of your loved ones. I'm gonna close it. Now I have added LED flowers on the top, like for gifting. You can see how it looks. Anything will look perfect on this box. It's gorgeous, it's fabulous. It's kind of easy to make as well. You know, it can be done easily. It's perfect. Please, and also please like, share, and subscribe. It will support us a lot, please. And tell us also down in the comments that how did you like this box. Okay, remember to share it. This is just for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.